Yeah, quick one. This is Ijewe from BlueMouse Media. Uh, Today I will be showing you how to create an event on LinkedIn. This coming from your company's page, and maybe your company wants to create hold an event, a webinar, or something, or a seminar. So quickly run to your company's page on LinkedIn. Mine is Blue Mouse Media. So just like as if you want to create a post, you come down here, you can see add a photo, add a video, add documents, share what that you're hiring, celebrate an occasion, create a poll. This way you have more. There are some more other menu here. So you click on this, then event is what we want to do. Click on create events. So here you must have already gotten your cover image for the event, maybe a flyer for the event using this dimension 16 by 9. And then quickly I have mine already designed. So I click on that to upload. This is it here. So down, open, goes into it straight. Then you apply that to upload that successfully. So is the event type, is it online or in person or on site? So I'm holding the event like a webinar or WhatsApp. So I click on online. Then the title of the event name is LinkedIn Made Simple. So choose your time zone. Make sure you choose the right time zone. We are not in Monrovia, so it's West Africa or Lagos. Most likely, it should be Central Africa, which is +1. Look for +1, +1. All right. So West Central Africa. The date of the event is 8th of December. So click on 8, and it's starting 7:30 p.m. So look for 7:30 p.m. All right, 7:30 p.m. So what time are we ending? Let's say about 1 hour, same date. Then click next. All right. So it's as simple as that. That's how to create your. If you want to put some hashtags, you can add your hashtags. Maybe LinkedIn, LinkedIn. What else? Webinar. Uh, Another job, career. Let's leave it at that. So once that's done, okay, you can just write something brief about the event. Something brief. As you wondering why you are not standing by your or getting right, getting quality clients, quality lead for, for business. Need to find your profile. Join us webinar over what I'm not doing right. Right. Are you wondering why you're not landing the right job or getting quality lead for event? You need to optimize your profile. Join us in this webinar to discover what you're not doing right. All right. So once that's done, then you post straight. Post. So that's how to create an event for your company on LinkedIn for a webinar you intend to hold, and subsequently, then you can now advertise the event to direct traffic to it. Thank you for being part of this training. My name is Ijeweme from inStrucK Varsity by BlueMouse, and see you on the other side.